Now I will show you how to disassemble and assemble the blade grip. First, remove the screws of the main blades. Then prepare two identical hexagonal screwdrivers. Align the screw, then keep your left hand still. One hand does not move and the other hand loosens the screw. After removing a screw, pull out the blade grip from the side where the screw was removed. The other side can also be pulled out by simply pulling the blade grip backward. This completes the disassembly. When installing, first insert the horizontal shaft. Then install the gasket. The flat side of the gasket faces the rotor head. Be sure not to install the gasket upside down. There is a slot on the blade grip. If the gasket is installed backwards, there will be no groove. This side is also the flat side of the gasket, facing the rotor head. Then put the screw in and turn it twice. Align the screwdriver with the screw hole on the other side. Then tighten the screws. Align the rocker arm with the ball joint of the swash plate. It will snap on with a little force. Then install the blades. Don't lock the blades too tight. This is the entire process of disassembling and assembling the blade grip.